This is the sorghum. So hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today in this video I am going to share you some related to my farm journey. These are not my farms, but you can say I came here for shooting this vlog. So in this vlog I'll tell you that what all these things and what we say that in English this word like this one is and that one all type of word I'll tell you in this video. So let's start it. So this is dry, you can say dry field. Why it is happened this? Why? Because we are going to grow paddy in this video. We are going to grow paddy, and this is mori. What do we say that in English? Mori. Then after growing it, then we would transplanting it here. We would firstly we would take it, then after that we would transplant it other places, some different places. So now, so let's start the other things. This is the highway, you can say behind me. This is highway and I'm very near it. And this is the sorghum. See it, these are sorghum. And you know that for what do we use it? We use it for, you can say, for grass, for having our cattles. Our cattles would take it. Firstly we have to cut it by our machete. Machete, what we say that in Hindi? Like weapon, something to cut some grass. We say that in English, weapon in English, and the other word is that machete, not machete, machete. Yes. So let's move other places. So you can see that one, that is sugar cane. What is that? Sugar cane. We have already cut it properly, and now we would cut it after 1 year something, because we have a particular time that after that our mile would start. Then we would cut it and we would, you can say, transplanting it to or by any other vehicle. We have to hire a particular vehicle like a tractor, then they would take it some different places. So now I would show you something that maybe you haven't seen it. This is a well. This is not like a well, means like okay, it's okay or fine. It's a well, like we have to, we used to take some water from it, but these days we don't. Why? Because it has already spoiled here. So this is a well, and it already, you can say, it has already spoiled or destroyed. And this is a canal. See it, this is canal. We flow our water through it for our crops or for something else, you can consider that. So, and now I'm going to finish it, because now we don't have that much to show to you. Like we don't have now other crops, we have only these 4 to 5 crops something now. So when we would transplantation our, you can say, mori, then I would make some vlogs and how to use it, how to transportation it. So hope you liked this video, and if you want this type of video in English language, so do subscribe this channel now as soon as possible, because it's very free for you. You don't have to pay a single rupee for subscribing it or for liking. So that's finish it now. So bye.